How to clock in on UKG Pro app. Follow the instructions. Open the UKG Pro app on your device and log in securely using your username and password credentials. From the dashboard, tap the menu icon in the top left corner to reveal all available navigation options. Select the Time or Time Management option from the menu to access your time clock features. Tap on the Clock In or Punch In button to start your work shift for the day or designated work period. If prompted, confirm your location or enable location services to verify your punch-in position. Add any necessary notes or job code details if required by your employer before submitting your punch. Tap Submit or Confirm to complete the clock-in process and register your start time in the system. Wait for the confirmation screen to ensure your punch was successful and recorded in the time records. Thank you for watching.